Neuroscience updates covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. The European Medicines Agency's Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use has issued a positive opinion recommending Donanemab for the treatment of early symptomatic Alzheimer's disease. This recommendation applies to patients within specific genetic subgroups. The decision follows the Trailblazer ALZ 2 and 6 trials, which demonstrated Donanemab's ability to significantly slow cognitive decline while reducing the incidence of amyloid-related imaging abnormalities, or ARIA. The final decision on approval now rests with the European Commission. Klotho Neuroscience has partnered with AAVnerGene to accelerate next-generation gene therapies targeting Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, ALS, and age-related neurodegeneration. AAVnerGene's platforms, AAVone and Athena, improve tissue targeting and reduce dose toxicity, which may translate to safer, more efficient treatments. Klotho's pipeline includes experimental therapeutics KLTO-101, KLTO-202, and KLTO-303, representing a diversified approach to tackling neurodegenerative conditions. XellSmart has dosed the first patient in its Phase 1 clinical trial using induced pluripotent stem cell-derived neural progenitor cells for the treatment of spinal cord injury. The dosing was completed without complications. This marks a milestone in regenerative medicine for central nervous system disorders. The company currently holds 7 investigational new drug applications across various CNS indications, including Parkinson's disease and ALS, demonstrating a broad and ambitious clinical development strategy. Cumulus Neuroscience has published new data from its CNS 101 study showing that its new logic digital biomarkers outperform the ADAS-Cog scale in detecting Alzheimer's disease. The study also confirmed that remote EEG monitoring and cognitive task assessment are both feasible and scalable. Data from the CNS 102 study suggests further promise for using the new logic platform in monitoring ALS and frontotemporal dementia. These results indicate a potential shift in how cognitive decline is assessed and tracked over time. Alamar Biosciences has introduced a new platform, NuLISA-Seq, for detecting brain-derived phosphorylated tau, or pTau, a key biomarker in Alzheimer's disease. The platform demonstrated high sensitivity for early-stage detection. At the Alzheimer's Association International Conference, more than 30 presentations highlighted the platform's potential to transform both diagnostics and therapy monitoring. Data showed strong correlation with PET imaging results and postmortem pathological findings, reinforcing NuLISA-Seq's clinical relevance. CivicaScript has launched a generic version of dimethyl fumarate for the treatment of multiple sclerosis at a price point of approximately $68 per bottle, a stark contrast to the average market price of over $4,300. Using its max RP pricing model, CivicaScript aims to improve transparency and significantly lower costs throughout the pharmaceutical value chain. This initiative seeks to enhance accessibility and ease the financial burden on MS patients and healthcare systems alike. In a strategic move to tackle inflated drug pricing, Roche is exploring direct-to-consumer sales in the United States. CEO Thomas Schinecker has openly criticized the role of pharmacy benefit managers in raising consumer drug costs. By bypassing traditional distribution channels, Roche aims to deliver medicines more affordably and efficiently. Despite ongoing concerns about drug pricing, Roche reported a 10% growth in pharmaceutical sales in the U.S. during the first half of 2025. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for